What's up, guys? It's me and my pet bird. He's a singer and he just loved me. He bought this like 3 years ago, and he's just in love. I love its colour. Underneath is like a bit like turquoise, and then his tail's blue. Sky. This is my one, and my brother's one always like bites. This one is just so cute. Let's see if it could fly. Let's put it like on the table. Oh, whoa! He loves walking. So, wait, he's scratching me a lot. So let's see where you're gonna go. Oh, we need to go. Okay, wait. I hope you just don't. Let's put him somewhere else because it's not safe. I'm gonna bump his head. My little brother's one there died. Oh, his friend's here. That's why it just doesn't look at its friend. My brother's one's that one. He never lets go. It's good. So let's come over here and let's put him on here. Let's see if it will like to fly somewhere. Just don't look out outside because you just bang your head all the time. Look at its detail and stuff. Look at his nails. Hello. Oh, he just wants to relax. Come on, finger. Come on, finger. Come on. You like sticks like me, right? Yeah, there you go. So he's a very jumpy guy. He just loves jumping. Most times he relaxes. He does just bite maybe like once in his life to me. Never ever again. He's just soft and I love him. So, well, look at him. So, bye guys, and don't forget to like and subscribe.